Try this water test to practice pressure cooking in your Ninja Instant Cooker. Start by adding 3 cups of water to the pot. Before pressure cooking, ensure the silicone ring is fully seated in the silicone ring rack. Once the ring is fully seated, align the raised arrow on the pressure lid with the raised arrow on your instant cooker. Once aligned, turn the pressure lid clockwise. You'll know the lid is properly installed when the unit beeps and the 4 cooking functions illuminate on the control panel. Turn the pressure release valve to the seal position. Press the power button. Then select pressure and select high pressure. The instant cooker will default to high pressure in pressure mode. Set the timer to 2 minutes using the time arrows to the right of the display screen. Press Start Stop. The rotating lights on the display screen indicate your instant cooker is building pressure. Once pressurized, the timer on the display screen will begin counting down. Note that at this point, you will see the red float valve pop up, indicating your unit is under pressure. Also note that the Ninja Instant Cooker is equipped with safety mechanisms to ensure the pressure lid cannot be removed while the unit is under pressure. When pressure cooking is complete, your unit will beep and default to the Keep Warm mode, and the display screen will begin counting up for up to 12 hours. The Keep Warm setting keeps your food at a food-safe temperature. Also, in recipes that call for natural pressure release, the display screen will count up to show you how long the unit has been depressurizing. To quick release pressure, turn the pressure release valve to the vent position. A quick burst of steam will spurt out of the pressure release valve. When steam is completely released, the red float valve will drop down and the pressure lid will be ready to open. To remove the pressure lid, turn it counterclockwise until the raised arrow on the lid aligns with the raised arrow on your instant cooker, and then lift the lid. Place the lid on the handles on the side of your instant cooker so condensation doesn't drip on your countertop. You've successfully completed your water test.